Welcome back the Welcome Tech Viewer. So in this today's tech episode, you will learn how you can extend your laptop battery life with some basic tips which you weren't focusing. So actually I have been asked by one my close friend to make video on this topic. So basically the reality of laptop battery performance is when you purchase your brand new laptop, then your laptop battery performance will be well so far until your 1 or 2 year, but after that your laptop becomes older and older. So basically to solve that problem I have made this video which includes almost 7 points which will ultimately help you in increasing the laptop battery life. So be with me in this video, and if you are new in this channel then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell so that you never miss any latest tech episodes. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here number one is dim the brightness of your laptop. What actually happens is the over brightness of your laptop means the over use of your battery power. So for that, to solve that, just click here on the notification button at the bottom right side, and then you will see here the brightness option. So make it as per the need, and then your battery power will be much improved than before. And number two is change power setting. Here we need to change some setting of our power setting so that our battery can be saved. For that, just go on the battery icon and then right click there, and you will see their power option. So click there, and then you will get such like this. And then what you need to do is just click choose when to turn off the display. So this will make the display off when you aren't using. So you may keep 5 minutes, 3 minutes, such like that. So see this value and you can keep this, and then click on save changes. Then your setting will be changed, and then whenever you leave your PC for some time, either 10-15 minutes, then your display will be off and your battery can be preserved. Number 3 is switch off unnecessary power consuming settings like Bluetooth, location, and also Wi-Fi if you are not using internet. So basically what happens here is if you turn on, so let me show you here. So if you turn on Bluetooth and location and Wi-Fi without any use, then your Bluetooth, location and Wi-Fi software and hardware are running in background and are consuming battery. So if you are not using any particular feature, then you can simply turn off it. So you can simply turn off location, Bluetooth, and if necessary then Wi-Fi. While you shut down your PC or while you are not using internet, you may turn off Wi-Fi so that battery can be saved. Here number 4 is turn off peripherals such as mouse, USB and webcams. It means if you have connected mouse, USB or webcam on your laptop, then if you aren't using any of them, then it is better to take it off or not connect to laptop, because while you are connecting it to your laptop battery is consumed by those devices, so it is better to remove it. Here number 5 is plug in charger before it dies. It is not good practice to charge your laptop battery until it is zero, so charge it as soon as possible. Here number 6 is maintain your laptop temperature. It is obvious to maintain the temperature of mobile phone and laptop and PC. So after maintaining temperature of your laptop, you will see the huge change in the battery performance. So here last but not least is change other settings. So what sort of setting? Let's look. So again right click on battery icon, and then you will get here Windows Mobility Center. Just click there, and then you will get interface like this. And if you notice here, on battery status, if you will get your high performance. By any chance, if you have high performance, then make it balanced. Now just by doing this, your PC's performance will be much improved. But also if it is not working, then you can choose power saver. After doing this, your battery will be much more safe. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, then do subscribe to this channel and also share this video to your other tech related people so that they can be helped. So see you soon with next tech episode.